Me, Grell, and I'm being manly right now, how to be a real butler so Sebastian could be happy with me and we can make babies together. Well, okay, here's gonna be a little picture thing of my pictures of Grell. Pictures. I'm on my break, and Sebastian's not gonna kill me. Can't reach. I'm on break. I'm on my break. I have nothing else to do. Dancing. Ciel, I want to tell you that you're a very big poopy head, and you can't steal Sebastian from me. And also, Ciel, you ate all of my candy. Why did you eat all my candy? I left it in the jar for a specific reason, and you ate it all. And your face, Sebastian. I got our own theme song, but mine's better because it's mine. I'm genius. Link, come to town, come to save the Princess Zelda. Now the door will go away, now the children will play, but they will they save the day. Hallelujah! No, I'm not gonna do it no more before I kill somebody.